Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. We are good too. A very happy new year to all of you. Wishing you an amazing new year that is filled with good luck and smiles. I wish you a lot of prosperity and success, and may you get everything you desire. And all the evil eyes remains off from you, and you enjoy every moment of your life with your loved ones. Keep smiling, stay happy, enjoy life. So let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss about painting through hands and a sol painting. My daughter wanted to make some New Year cards for her friends, so she said me to help me in doing her painting. We did some painting and made beautiful New Year cards. Let's see the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment.